Welcome back, Chris, ATX Real Estate Channel. Today, you can buy a home, a StarLight home in Pflugerville. And I got contacted from my partner, home builder StarLight, got this information, and one home is available and exclusive. Okay, not exclusive. I'm kidding. So the final price is $431,990. It's a first come, first served. So I got this information today. So meaning is tomorrow it might be sold. So if you're interested and willing to designate me as your realtor, and I can help you through. The floor plan is Magellan, and a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2-story house, and it's approximately 45 days from now going to be completed. So if you want to buy the house, and I'm going to show you here Magellan the floor plan here. Okay, all the basic information here. If you navigate here, you see how it looks. It's a beautiful home and rare opportunity in Pflugerville. No bidding, and the first floor, the full plan here. Okay, second floor looks like this. So again, please like my video, leave your comments, and be a member of my channel. Thanks for watching.